Look, let's be honest for a minute. Most men today are tired. Low energy, low drive, low stamina, no motivation, work stress, bad sleep, junk food, sitting all day. It all adds up. You wake up tired, go to work tired, come home tired. And slowly, your confidence starts dropping too. If you're watching this, there's a good chance you're feeling the same way. You want more energy. You want better stamina. You want to feel strong again. You want to feel like a man again. That's exactly why I'm making this video. Today I want to talk about a product called MANCODE Gummies. I'm not here to sell you fake dreams or promise miracles. I'm here to explain what it is, how it works, what it does, and whether it's worth your money. So let's start simple. MANCODE Gummies are a male health supplement made for men who want better energy, stamina, performance, and confidence. They come in gummy form, which means no pills, no powders, no mixing, no weird taste. You just chew them like candy. The idea behind MANCODE Gummies is to support three main things: blood flow, testosterone support, and daily energy. Blood flow is very important for male performance. If your circulation is weak, your energy is low, and your stamina drops. MANCODE uses ingredients that help improve blood flow so your body can perform better. Testosterone is the main male hormone. When testosterone drops, you feel tired, weak, unmotivated, and unfocused. MANCODE Gummies contain natural ingredients that help support healthy testosterone levels. And finally, energy. Most men feel exhausted because of stress and poor lifestyle. The ingredients in MANCODE help fight fatigue and improve daily stamina. Now let's talk about what's inside. MANCODE Gummies use natural ingredients that are commonly found in male health supplements. One of the main ingredients is L-Arginine, which helps improve blood circulation and supports endurance. Another key ingredient is Tongkat Ali, which is known for supporting testosterone and male vitality. Maca Root helps improve stamina and reduce fatigue. Tribulus Terrestris supports strength and performance. Ginseng helps with energy, focus, and stress. These are not random ingredients. They are well known in the male supplement industry. Now let's talk about what benefits you can actually expect. If you take MANCODE Gummies daily, most users report better energy levels, better stamina, improved focus, better workouts, stronger endurance, and higher confidence. You won't turn into a superhero overnight, but over time, you should start feeling stronger, more active, and more motivated. This is not a magic pill. It's a support supplement. It works best when you also eat better, sleep better, and stay active. Taking them is very simple. You just take 1 gummies per day, chew them properly, and drink water. That's it. Now let's talk about safety. MANCODE Gummies are made using natural ingredients and are generally safe for healthy adult men. They are not for children, not for women, and not for people with serious medical conditions. If you're on medication or have health issues, talk to your doctor first. Now let's talk about price and where to buy. MANCODE Gummies are only sold on their official website. You won't find them on Amazon, Walmart, or in stores. They offer bundle deals that save you a lot of money. Their best value package includes 3 bottles of MANCODE Gummies and 2 bottles of Alpha Test capsules, and the price comes down to around 56 Canadian dollars per bottle. They also offer mid-packages and single bottle options, but the single bottle is much more expensive. If you're serious about results, the bundle makes more sense because supplements take time to work. Now the big question: do MANCODE Gummies actually work? They work if you use them correctly. They don't work if you expect magic in 3 days. Real results take consistency. Most men start noticing changes after 2 to 4 weeks of daily use. More energy in the morning, better focus at work, better stamina during workouts, better confidence overall. This is why so many men are switching from pills to gummies. They're easier, more enjoyable, and easier to stick with. But let me be clear. If you sit all day, eat junk food, sleep 4 hours a night, and expect a supplement to fix your life, you will be disappointed. So who should use MANCODE Gummies? If you're a man over 30 feeling tired all the time, if your stamina is dropping, if your motivation is low, if your confidence is not what it used to be, then this is for you. And who should not use them? If you're under 18, have heart problems, hormone disorders, or are on strong medication, stay away unless your doctor says it's okay. Now here's my honest opinion. MANCODE Gummies are not a scam. They're not fake. They're a real supplement with real ingredients. They won't change your life overnight, but they can support your body in a natural way. If you want more energy, better stamina, and better performance without swallowing pills every day, MANCODE Gummies are worth trying. If you want to check the latest price and discounts, I've put the official website link in the description and in the pinned comment. Don't buy from random websites because fake copies exist. If you have any query, I mentioned my personal information in description box. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment if you have any questions. I reply to most comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.